You may want to send a fun greeting card, a musical message to friends and family, or just a pre-recorded message to your customers that isn't using text-to-speech. To do this, you need to attach an MP3 to that automated voice call. Let's build that now. You need a few things to get started. We will need a free or paid Twilio account, an operating system that supports .NET like macOS, Windows, or Linux, the .NET SDK. For this tutorial, we'll be using .NET version 9, a code editor or IDE, and an MP3 you want to use, and a smartphone with an active cellular service for testing. We're going to be using Twilio Voice, so let's start by logging into the Twilio console. You can use a phone number you already have registered. If you don't already have one, or your other numbers are already being used, you can purchase a new number by going to Phone Numbers, Manage, Buy a Number. Here, we can search for a toll-free number or a number in the region you would like to call from. Make sure your phone number is voice-capable and click Purchase. Take note of the account SID and the authorization token, which are in the lower left corner of your dashboard page. You will need these to create the application. Also, make note of the phone number that you purchased. That will be the number set for your outgoing calls. Keep your phone handy for quick testing of the incoming calls. Assets are static files like MP3s and images that you can serve from Twilio to support your application. Click the plus sign to upload your new asset. Keep in mind that assets are publicly available from the web. It has to be public in order for your application to work. Please don't upload anything sensitive here that you wouldn't want another person to find. Once your file is uploaded, you can find the URL of the file on the Assets page. Click the Copy to Keyboard button on the right side to copy the URL. Now, we're ready to write some code. Start by opening your IDE or code editor and create a new .NET project. Name the project My Phone Call or any friendly name you want to use. If you are using VS Code, you can go to the command palette by typing Command-Shift-P on a Mac or Control-Shift-P on a PC. Search for a .NET new project, then choose Console App to tell VS Code to create your base project. Open a terminal window, navigate into the project you created, and add Twilio's CLI or command line interface to the project by typing the following into the terminal. Go back to the Twilio console and retrieve your account SID and authentication token values. Copy and paste those values in the following lines of code in your console, replacing the placeholders in brackets with the corresponding values. Your Program.cs is the heart of your application. We have code you can copy-paste into this application, but there are a few things you'll need to change in order to make it work. We'll replace the Your Asset URL placeholder with the URL of your MP3. It can be in Twilio Assets or wherever you have it hosted. Next, the incoming phone number placeholder should be replaced with the phone number you intend to call, including the country code. The Twilio outgoing phone number should be your registered Twilio number. For the long term, it's not secure to hard-code phone numbers here. So if you were going to make this application more robust, we recommend adding them to environment variables like we did with your account SID and auth token. If you were also calling a list of customers, you might do more advanced work like getting multiple numbers from a database and servicing them here for ease of use and added security. Now it's time to test our call. Test your code using .NET Run and wait for the ring. Your Twilio number will call your phone with the MP3 message you've set up. Happy building! Let's build something great together using Twilio.